Or sea lions. Yeah, the sea lions.
A bunch of them.
They go with the whales, man. Yes, we've got. So now we've got the full-on concentration of sea lions. So what happens is the sea lions go down first, then the whales go down, and the sea lions come up, and then the whales will come up. I've seen this before.
Wow, that's a lot of sea lions.
So we're about to get a lunging event from, I would imagine, from these whales.
Yeah, that's a lot of sea lions.
It sure is.
Oh yeah, you
like
should have
20 or
seen
30
when we went out whale watching. This was exactly what we had, but there were 20 times as many sea lions. They're gonna come up right near us, you guys.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we're gonna have a little whale.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Look at them all.
Hey, guys.
Wow.
How's it hanging?
Hanging.
Sorry to
just
disturb.
checking us out.
We got another pod over here.
Yeah, another fun.
The whale
Look
doesn't
at
come right
these.
up in our grill.
Right?
Sea lion are going crazy.
Right here.
There's the whale. Look
Oh
at
my
it.
God.
We got him.
Look at that.
What a great shot. Nice.
Wow.
We got that one.
Nice.
Jackpot, baby!
Oh,
my God.
Oh my God.
Jackpot, baby!
Oh,
Oh, man. Come to the canyon.